Hi, I'm Brianna with SwitchWeld, and today we're going to be talking about how to run a program on your SwitchWeld. Let's get started. To begin, start by navigating to the Teach page, then hitting the three-dot icon under the Weld tab. Here you'll see your programmed welds. Then click on whatever weld you want to open and hit Open, and it will show all your waypoints from that program. Begin by holding down the Go to Start icon. This button will need to be held down until the robot reaches its target. If at any point the robot needs to stop, you simply release the button. When the Cobot is in the start position, press the play button to get the Cobot to run through its path. Note, if you want to stop the Cobot at any time, you can hit the pause or stop button on the Teach pendant. If you want to see the position of a specific point, just click on the point you want to go to and hit the Go to Point button. You'll need to hold this button down. To move forward and backwards in points, you can just hold down the forward icon or the backward icon, and your Cobot will move between points. When you're ready to begin your weld, turn on the Weld Enable on the op box, and the icon on your Teach screen will turn red, indicating that the arc is on. Before you can hit play, ensure that you're at the beginning of your weld by holding down the Go to Start button. And finally, play your weld. The SwitchWeld can easily hold thousands of programs to fit your shop's needs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or check out our website, switchweld.com. Thanks for watching.